Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Mi Band 7 and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this device. Basically how quickly the screen will turn off after we stop using our device, our smart band. Okay, so first thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our device, and you can do it by double tapping on the screen. After you wake up the screen, swipe upwards from the bottom of the screen to open the menu. Now, scroll down through the menu, find the option called Settings and tap on it. In Settings, find the option called Display and Brightness, this one, tap on it, and here you should see the option called Screen on Duration. Select it, and as you can see we have the list of durations right here, and we have durations up from the 5 seconds up to 15 seconds. Select the one you like. For example, I'm gonna select something like 10 seconds by tapping on it, then tapping on the check mark, and now these 10 seconds is selected. So we can swipe right on the screen to go back to watch face, and now when I stop using the screen, it should turn off automatically after 10 seconds of an activity. So let's wait. And as you can see, it turned off. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video